Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bhavna and today in this video look we are gonna create this makeup look only using the SFR City Mini Palette. It's literally the cutest palette I've ever seen and it's really very mini, the name itself suggests that, and it has all the beautiful colors if you can see. It has pastel shimmer, pastel pink, it has matte pink, it has pastel orange, it has gray, white, it has little bit of shimmery colors. It is really very affordable and I think it costed me around 200 because I just wanted to try what this City Mini Palette looks like. So let's just go with the eyeshadow look. So now for the crease color I'm going to use this shade right here. If you can see, it just matches with my skin and I think this will look really nice. I'm going to take my eyeshadow blending brush and the pigmentation is really very nice, you guys, if you all want me to swatch it. So if you can see, the pigmentation is really nice. So I am trying to if you all want me to swatch this glittery shade, it's very pretty golden bronze. You can see how pretty is that. I really love that. So let's just go with this shade. If you have seen the intro of this video, you might know which look I'm gonna go for, but you know, I really don't know now at this place which look it's gonna be. So I'm just trying to think what should we make the look as. As I've told, I'm going to take this shade as my transition shade on my crease and I'm just going to blend it on my crease. Just like this. You know guys, I always use this just like this. I think that should be my tagline. Unruffled Mist, just like this. Sorry. Let's go with this orange shade in the corner of my eyelid. Well, the pigmentation is a little powdery and I just wanted you to know that it's falling out, and the glitter shades are really very nice as you can see, and the dark colors are really nice as well, but the light colors, it's not that good, I feel. So I am going to dip my brush again into the color and just going to use in the outer corner of my eye and just try to bring it in front by just mixing the transition shade and the orange shade. So you can see I have built the orange color in my outer lid, and now I'm going to take this purple color, it's violet actually. I'm going to take this violet, dip it into my and dip my brush into it. I'm just going to use it in my inner corner. Keep dusting off the extra fallouts, you guys, otherwise it's gonna set on the cheeks and just going to spoil your foundation. So yeah, so I think I need to use my fingers for it, and I just dip my finger into it. Just like this. How pretty is that looking? And now I'm going to dip my brush into the orange shade, which was the outer color, and just going to blend it with that purple shade. You see how I'm going with that? It's kind of looking like an evening onto my eyes. How pretty is it? I really like evenings, you know. Evenings are best for walks, evenings are best for parties. Not actually parties, but evenings are good for going for a date. Also, if you want to check out my last video, the date night video, the link is in my description box. You can check it out from there. Also, now I am going to use the same brush and just going to use the same colors on my waterline but contrastingly. So I am going to use orange in the inner corner and purple or violet at the outer corner. So let's just go with the orange first. Just like this. And now at the end I'm going to take that orange shade and just going to take it like this and blend it onto my foundation just like this. Now what I'm going to do is my mascara and curling of my lashes. I curled my lashes and I'm going to use my Maybelline Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. I'm quickly going off camera and do my other eye, and we can use lashes after then, and yeah, we'll complete our look by adding lipstick and highlighter. So I'm done with both of my eyes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use this bronze golden shade. I'm just going to use it. See how pretty is that? For my lashes, I have this Hilary Dora ones. These are very big and pretty lashes. So I'm back with my lashes on, and they look so pretty. I think they are so dramatic for my eye look. So if you're gonna go with, if you wanna go dramatic, if you're gonna go voluminous, go with these lashes. Otherwise, go with very subtle, very natural kind of lashes. So for my lipstick, I'm going to go with my ColourPop matte lipstick in the shade W14, and it is something like of this shade, which was our violet shade of our eyeshadow. So our lipstick is done, and now I am going to use highlighter. And for my highlighter, I have this highlighter from In Color, and it's really nice. So for my highlighter, I'm going to go with this brush and just going to so yeah, this is all. I hope you love the look. Those over here till the end, I love you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. So yeah, it was kind of a review for SFR color, but in the end, if you want me to say much about it, it is very powdery. It is. I thought the pigmentation was good in the beginning, but at the end, when I tried to give it my when I tried to put it on my eyeshadow, it was just something different. It was just falling out, and I didn't like the pigmentation that much, but the glitter shades are really nice. I have no bad comments for that. I have no negative comments for the glitter shade in here. Talking apart from the palette, I love the eye look it is giving me. You can see the pretty purple and orange shade on my eye. You can see the purple lipstick on my lips, and I think this is such an amazing look. Also, thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and bye bye.